guys, so this is Luna. Say hi. Say hi, Luna. And today's a very exciting day because Nicola comes and me and Mum are about to go to the airport and pick her up. So yeah. We're on our way to get Nick now. You excited?
Yeah, can't wait.
Let's go. So we kind of got here late. Well, we're on time, but Nicola's flight was early, so now she's waiting for us at a gate. So let's try and find her.
Rush.
Oh, I see her. Look at her. I'm vlogging. Hey! Yours is so sore.
How you going? You look so good.
I know. Thank you. Hey. Hey. Hi. Lena, come here. Come here. Hello. So we're at Dreamworld now. I forgot to vlog us getting here, but we just went on our first roller coaster. How was it, Nick?
Really boring.
It's just the Madagascar one. It wasn't that good, but Dad was screaming the whole time.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
That's broke my neck. Yeah, we just did a roller coaster, the Hot Wheels, but I think we all broke our necks and now we can't walk. But it was good, wasn't it?
When you want to get off the darkest ground, gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
So now we're in Wiggle World
Wiggle well.
and we're gonna go on the big red car, I think. Are you guys excited for that? They're eating their ice creams. Are you having fun, Nick?
So much fun.
I won't go on any of the big rides with her and I think she's getting annoyed.
She's a dickhead.
Oh my god, I could never. Oh my, listen to, look at Nicola. That was funny. Nicola was freaking out. She's the daredevil, but I think even the buzzsaw gets to her. Look at Nicola's face. How was it? We heard you. You were like, oh my god. Here we go on the river rapids. Are you excited, Nick?
I'm not.
I don't want to get wet. It's a bit chilly here now. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Oh no! Ah! Ah! So we're home from Dreamworld now, and look what happened.
Pranked.
I thought you were
Pranked.
Say hello.
That's right.
Say hello.
I remember, mate. Don't
Who's
worry about
that? She's looking at herself. Who's that?
Going to the vet tomorrow.
Oh, hello. Hello, Crazy. Hey, Crazy.
Hey, crazy.
Shake? She just shook.
Did you see that?
You're such a good girl.
Oh my god.
So I'm going to end the vlog now because we're really tired and we're going to go to bed. But we hope you enjoyed watching. Don't we, Nick? So I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.